Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels we got 17-inch alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB Tex interior. Panorama roof. C300 4MATIC badging. Clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one has the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, dark linden wood trim, heated seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We've got navigation, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, a turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 26,651 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.